Myla, what do you have offer today?
We have offer today for 5 items. I was thinking that I can give for only 500 dirham
500 dirham for Ramadan?
for Ramadan, yes?
No, give 399 dirham only. I will show you what we will giving in 399 dirham only.
399 dirham?
399. Look at this. Look at this beauty. This is the phone like a Vivo Y19s.
Oh my god.
512 GB storage. 512 GB
512
storage. Google speaker.
Google speaker free?
This is with LED. Yeah.
Oh my god, you can use for iPhone and Android as well.
Yeah, this neckband. Look at this. 150 days standby battery timing. 150
For
days.
the personal use, you can use also, guys. Oh my god. Oh,
Look at this smartwatch. Ultra smartwatch with 4 straps.
Oh my god. For what about this one?
This is a mini fan you can use in summer, winter, everywhere. You know, UAE is a very hot weather.
Oh my god.
So you can use it. Like all the items is in 399 dirham
Oh
with
my
warranty.
god. So how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for only 399 dirham free delivery?
Yeah, free delivery obviously.
Oh my god, guys. What are you waiting for? Book your orders now and don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment as well.
Thank you.